Alright guys, what's up guys and girls? So it's gonna be a late night ride right now. I'm here with my girlfriend in the back, if you can see her. Hopefully you can, I don't know. But I just wanted to talk to y'all real quick about what's been going on so far. So my truck right now is in the repair shop because my crankshaft positioning sensor had actually went out in the truck, so I couldn't drive it anymore because it would like start and stop, start and stop. So I already replaced the crankshaft positioning sensor, but I couldn't put my timing belt back on because when I tried putting my timing belt back on, I didn't have compression on the first cylinder that you're supposed to check. You're supposed to check for the compression stroke, and then you know you'll be able to time it, but I didn't have any compression. I put my finger over it and I was turning the crankshaft and I didn't feel any air coming, so I just took it to the shop. Hopefully they can figure it out, they can get it done. I went ahead and put a new water pump while I was in there because I got a really good price on it, so I went ahead and bought a new water pump and new serpentine belt, and then also a new timing belt because I had the money at the time. So where are we going? Go left. So I did that, but the whole point of this video actually is to talk about my Grom. So y'all probably don't know yet, but I installed a big bore kit on the Grom. I installed a Takegawa 143 kit along with the cam that it comes with, and then I bought the Power Commander 5 along with the wideband 2. But I've been having issues with it. I don't know what it is, but my air to fuel ratio won't show. Like, it'll show zeros, it'll just show nothing but zeros the whole time, but it doesn't show any actual values. But everything on the bike works, like the RPMs, shows the duty cycle, you know, like all the other stuff. But the only thing it doesn't show is the air to fuel ratio, which I don't understand. I don't know why it doesn't, but that's the only thing that it doesn't show. I went ahead and looked at the wideband 2, made sure all the connections are connected. You know, it's color coded, so it's kind of hard to get them wrong. I went ahead and checked them with the multimeter to make sure the wires are actually even getting power, and they are. So I don't know what it is, to be honest. I even checked the O2 sensor, the Boss O2 sensor, to make sure it was working, and it does work. It actually gets really hot. I actually burnt myself testing it out. And then I did, you know, when you press that button to check the elevation or to make sure the actual O2 sensor actually works, and it does. So I don't know what it is. I also installed that CAN bus delete on the wideband 2 that you're supposed to install. So I have everything, so I don't know what's up with the wideband 2 yet. But if anybody has any, you know, advice on how to fix it or whatnot, please let me know. But I'll probably end up making a video of my whole setup just so y'all can look at it. I mean, the bike actually runs fine. You can turn it on and everything, and it doesn't pop or anything when you accelerate. Like, it doesn't backfire or anything like that. It runs normal. It sounds nice, and I mean, I can ride it for a good while and put my hand on the engine, and it doesn't get too hot. Like, you know, like I can tap the engine and I won't be burning myself or anything like that, so it doesn't get too hot. But I know maybe once I get up to like 50, 55, that's when the actual bike starts having like a little bit of trouble. Like, I know it wants to accelerate, but doesn't accelerate as much. And I don't have the upgraded fuel injector. I just still have the stock one, so I think that also might be an issue too when it comes to the bike not wanting to accelerate as fast once it gets to higher speeds. Yeah, that's another issue I have. But the real thing I really want to figure out is just why the wideband 2 isn't showing its air to fuel ratio, why it just remains at a 0. But I'll make a video of that so y'all can actually see what I'm talking about. Like, I'll connect the bike through the Power Commander 5 to the laptop just so y'all can see what I'm seeing. Right now we're on the FZ6. I mean the FZ7, my bad. FZ7, my brother's FZ7. I love this bike. It's really comfortable. Really comfortable bike. Right now we're probably gonna stop by Indian Point Park just cause I just wanted to make a video and just tell y'all what's been going on lately. But I'm gonna go ahead and stop at Indian Point Park and let's go ahead and look around. And then later on, I think me and my girlfriend are gonna go eat some Chinese food here at China Wall in Portland. But that's all I really wanted to talk about, guys. Just wanted to give you a little update on what's been happening so far. I will make that video showing my 143 kit setup when it comes to the Power Commander 5 and the wideband 2, so you can see exactly how it's wired up and everything. Maybe I missed something, who knows, but I mean, it was pretty hard to get it wrong. It's all color coded, so I don't think I got anything wrong, but you never know, it can happen. But thank you guys and girls for watching the video. I'll see y'all later. Y'all have a good one. Y'all have a good day, night. I'll see y'all later. Bye.